Today in front of me I have the HOLY STONE HS720G, and in today's video I'll show how you can set this drone up from the box right all the way up, should I say, to your first flight. So let's begin by installing the required Ophelia Fly app. You can either use the instruction for use that is included with the packaging, with the drone itself, to find the QR codes, or you can just manually launch either Google Play Store or App Store if you use an iPhone, and look for the Ophelia Fly app, this one. Then get it installed. Now what I want you to do is to unfold everything that there is to unfold in the remote controller. So starting with the those grips or legs of your drone, then unfold the antennas. Now go to the back of your remote controller, take this cover out, then equip yourself with 2 AA batteries, align the polarity, make sure to get it right, like that. Now close the lid, or return the cover, and get out the phone holder compartment. Once you pushed it upwards, tilt it to you or towards yourself. So give me a sec here. Should be able to tilt it, no problem. Yep, so just make sure to pull it up all the way and tilt it to yourself like that. Now what we can do is unfold the drone legs, so starting with rear legs and then following by unfolding the front legs as well. So unfold those legs. Now take an SD card and insert it into this left compartment here. Also make sure to take out the gimbal protector, which is a fairly simple thing to do. So let me quickly show you how you should do that. So it should be like that, or it will be like that. So simply squeeze it and try to take it out like that. So no problems at all. Now let's power on both remote controller and drone. So at the rear end or at the tail of your drone, you'll find the power button. So press and hold it for a few seconds to make the drone turn on. And when it comes to the remote controller, hold the lock button. If that's the first time you switch everything on, hold the lock button and then slide the slider to the right to switch everything on and to make sure that everything is correctly paired. For future reference, you will not need to press the lock button. You can just switch on the remote controller by using this like toggle or slide button. So now take your phone, go into the Wi-Fi preferences or Wi-Fi settings, and look for the HOLY STONE Wi-Fi network, since the drone connects its camera feed to your phone through a Wi-Fi network rather than a data connection cable or Bluetooth perhaps. So here is the Wi-Fi network you should be looking for, so connect to it. Now once your device is connected to the drone's custom Wi-Fi hotspot, launch the Ophelia Sky app, or Fly app rather. Sign up for an account. I have one ready, so I'll quickly sign in. Give me a sec here, I'll do that off the camera. So actually the mistake that I've made is that I've connected to the drone's Wi-Fi hotspot before I signed into my app account, so do not repeat my mistakes, and first connect to the internet, make sure that you have an internet connection, and then only then sign into your, or sign up for a HOLY STONE account or sign into an existing one, and only then reconnect your phone to the drone's Wi-Fi network. So once again, let me quickly sign into my Ophelia Fly profile. So finally I have entered the profile of mine. So now let's quickly reconnect to the drone's Wi-Fi network here. Now once the connection is being established, let's go ahead and mount the phone onto the remote controller. Well, that didn't go as I've planned, but no worries there. Yep, so now the phone is mounted. We can press the enter device button, and here is the camera feed. So as you can see, everything works. The delay is pretty big on this drone, but I guess that's a very cheap budget or budget-friendly device, so you shouldn't expect too much from it. But anyway, as far as the setup and the preparations for the first flight go, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.